Is your BMW 1 Series key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common culprits are a dead battery, a need for remote initialization, or less frequently, a faulty front electronic module FEM. First, replace the battery. It's likely a CR2032. Pry open the fob carefully. Use a plastic tool to avoid scratches. Replace the battery with the positive side up and reassemble. If that doesn't work, you may need to reinitialize the key fob. We'll cover that next. To reinitialize your key fob, you'll need to sync it with your BMW's system. The process varies slightly by model year, but generally involves inserting the key, turning the ignition to position 1, and pressing the lock-unlock buttons in a specific sequence. Check your owner's manual or search online for the exact steps for your 1 Series model. If reinitialization doesn't work, the problem might be with the FEM, which controls key fob signals. FEM issues often require professional diagnosis and repair, as they can involve software or hardware replacements. Consider a certified BMW mechanic for FEM-related problems or if issues persist, especially for models produced before 2015. Ignoring persistent issues can lead to bigger expenses and issues down the line. Also be aware of recalls that may affect this fix.